Are you looking for an affiliate marketing success plan? One that will work for beginners as well as experienced marketers who are not having the success they were hoping for? Well, stick with me till the end. I've got what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know it is the kind of content you like. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. Affiliate marketing is my favorite business model. It's the one I recommend to people looking for a way to make money online. If you're new to it, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. And that means no inventory or customer service issues like in traditional businesses. No phone calls, no bugging friends or neighbors. You don't even have to talk to anyone unless you want to. And when you learn to do it right, affiliate marketing can be very lucrative and only take a minimal amount of time. And since it's all online and almost totally automated, you can do it from wherever you happen to be. I even build my affiliate marketing business while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter, and I do that most days while others are busy at their jobs. See, affiliate marketing, when you do it right, is not just about making money, but creating time freedom too, and that's what I really love, the time freedom. Unfortunately, too many people do not have the success they were hoping for in affiliate marketing. And that's too bad, as it can be one of the simplest things you ever do if you have a proven plan for success. Without a clear-cut plan, you're sure to struggle, wasting both time and money, and really frustrating yourself. Well, that plan you so desperately need is detailed in my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. I will show you exactly how I create both time and money freedom marketing other people's stuff via affiliate marketing. In it, I share proven ways you can make more money with affiliate marketing, even with no previous experience. It is a must-have for beginner affiliate marketers and veterans alike. You will learn how to make more money faster and how to do it without wasting a lot of money on unnecessary training courses, coaching, or expensive traffic and lead generation. Download my free ebook now, copy it exactly, and take the fast track to success whether you build my affiliate opportunity or another. Grab it now. I'm not sure how much longer I'll be able to offer it for free. To get your free ebook, go to affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. The link is in the description and on my About page too. Grab your copy now and follow what's in it. I wish you much success.